Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Gimp tutorials how to export with transparent background. As example, I will create new file and we set for background into transparency. Okay. Now you can draw simple shape. I will draw the circle and set for the color. To set into green color. I click and then I will use crop to selection. The next you can go to select and click none. Now if you want to export this object with transparent backgrounds, we need to save as into PNG. You can click file, go to export as, and in here you can set for type, file type into PNG, and scroll down and you can click after this option PNG image. After it you can click export. Click export again and it will be automatically create image with transparent background. Okay, that's it for basic Gimp tutorials how to export with transparent background. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.